did 12 inches of asphalt cause a massive bridge disaster. In 2018, Kolkata's Majherhat bridge collapsed, not just from age, but under the crushing dead weight of nearly a foot of unscraped bitumen. Decades of unscientific patchwork piled up to 16.6 kg of extra load on every single square foot. Here is how routine maintenance turned fatal.
During a heavy urban monsoon, rainwater should drain into the street. Instead, it flows right over the curb and pours directly into homes. Out on the road, the commute is interrupted by the violent jolt of a motorcycle tire dropping into a massive recessed drain pit. Our neighborhoods are not sinking into the earth. The asphalt outside them is physically growing taller. In many Indian cities, standard maintenance cycles over the last decade have elevated local roads by up to an entire foot above their original design level. This entire process of constant elevation reverses gravity drainage, destroys vehicle suspensions, and turns modern cities into hazardous obstacle courses. When an asphalt surface degrades, the engineering standard requires a specialized machine to scrape away the damaged top layer. This maintains the street's original finished road level. Scraping takes time, planning, and specialized equipment. To avoid these short-term costs, contractors frequently ignore the rulebook. Instead of stripping the old surface, maintenance crews simply dump 3 inches of fresh, hot tar directly onto the cracked pavement. Repeating this shortcut every few years creates a massive structural problem. Layers of thick asphalt stack on top of one another, pushing the road height far above the original baseline. By prioritizing saved labor over proper milling, contractors permanently alter the physical topography of the neighborhood. This creates plinth inversion. As the elevated road rises above adjacent door thresholds, the slope reverses, pushing stormwater backward into properties. Additionally, trapped moisture builds internal pressure between unbonded layers, fracturing the asphalt into potholes within a single season. While the road height climbs, the rest of the civic infrastructure stays behind. Municipal storm inlets, sewage grates, and utility access covers are rarely elevated to match the new asphalt. This discrepancy turns ordinary drain pits into 150-millimeter deep craters. During heavy rains, floodwater conceals these hazards, creating invisible traps for anyone on 2 wheels. The fresh asphalt, intended to repair the commute, is the exact factor transforming these streets into dangerous traps every monsoon. A flooded driveway is a local crisis, but applying this same shortcut to a suspended flyover pushes the risk into the realm of infrastructure failure. Every 25 millimeters of extra asphalt adds nearly 60 kilograms of permanent, uncalculated weight for every square meter of the bridge deck. Across an entire span, decades of repaving add dozens of metric tons of uncalculated stress to the primary girders and cantilever bearings. On September 4, 2018, the central span of Kolkata's Majherhat Bridge collapsed under the weight of this exact practice. Forensic engineers discovered asphalt buildup exceeding 200 millimeters. This suffocating layer trapped moisture, concealed fatal corrosion in the steel tendons, and critically overloaded the span. The same contractor shortcut that ruins car suspensions on local streets pushes massive civic structures to a fatal breaking point. This is not a failure of engineering knowledge. National highway codes and pavement guidelines explicitly mandate the scraping of old roads before any fresh layers are applied. Furthermore, the scraped material is a valuable resource. Reclaimed asphalt pavement can be recycled to build better, more cost-effective road bases. The systemic failure lies in a lack of strict municipal auditing. A smooth, newly rolled blacktop looks clean from the top, effectively hiding the underlying structural negligence from the public. The next time roadwork starts in your neighborhood, look for a cold milling machine. Ensure the contractors are scraping it down, not just adding another layer to the pile. Until citizens demand strict adherence to basic engineering codes, public tax money will continue to fund the literal burial of our cities.
Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to stay in the loop, and share it with friends who'd enjoy it. It only takes a moment, but it helps the channel create more exciting content.